Apple users, get ready. Another iOS update is reportedly on its way. Welcome to Eye2Future. iOS March 1st, 18 is expected to roll out soon, and while it may not bring flashy new features, it's likely an important update you won't want to miss. So, what's in this mysterious update? Let's break it down! According to reports from McRumors and 9to5Mac, iOS March 1st, 18 will primarily focus on security fixes and bug patches rather than introducing new features. This follows the release of iOS 18.3 in late January, which brought Apple Intelligence notifications and new visual intelligence features, like scanning a poster to instantly add an event to your calendar. But not everything in iOS 18.3 went smoothly. Some features, like Apple Intelligence notifications, had to be temporarily disabled due to issues with inaccurate summaries. It's unclear if iOS March 1st, 18 will bring them back or if Apple is still fine-tuning them. Meanwhile, rumors have been circulating on social media that Elon Musk's Starlink is being automatically downloaded onto iPhones with iOS 18.3. But don't worry, that's not true. The update simply makes Starlink an option for users who want it, but it doesn't install it by default. So what can we expect from iOS March 1st, 18? Experts predict it will be a small but crucial update, just like iOS February 1st, 18, which focused on important bug fixes. Apple hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but if history is any indication, the update will aim to enhance security and stability. As always, we'll keep you updated as soon as Apple drops more details. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on the latest Apple news. Will you be updating to iOS March 1st, 18 right away? Let us know in the comments.